Hello everyone, I'm Nirmala Chetri from Kanha Kingdom Smart Education. So today I'm going to teach you a social study of class 2nd. Okay? So today I'm going to teach you a chapter number 4. Today's topic is food. Food. What is in a food? Food. The things which we eat. If we feel hungry, then what we will do? We eat something. Huh? So today we are going to study about food. What is the advantage of food? Why it's necessary to eat? Why it's necessary to eat food? Why not other? Today I am going to teach you. Okay? This is all about food. Today's topic. So let's move towards content. Okay? So listen carefully. Today's contents are about food. Today we are going to talking about food. So another is, why do we need food? Why do we need food? Another is, where does the food came from? We eat food every day, anytime, but we don't know where does food came from. We are all discussing about this also. Okay? Food from plant and animal. From that we know that food came from plants and animals. Another is food groups. Okay? Food that give us energy. Food that give us energy. Okay? Another is food that help us grow. Food that help us grow. Food that keep strong and healthy. Food that keep strong and healthy. Balanced diet. Another is balanced diet and balanced diet chart. Importance of balanced diet. Good food habit. Good food habits. And last one is, how much should I eat? How much should I eat? So these all are today's contents. Understand or not? So please take out notebook, copies, pencils and write down the importance, meaning and notes. Okay. So I'll repeat once about food. Why do we need food? Where does the food came from? Food from plants and animals. Food groups. Food that give us energy. Food that help us grow. Food that keep strong and healthy. Balanced diet chart, importance of balanced diet, good food habits, how much should I eat? These all are today's content. So let's move towards first subtopic. Okay? So look at the picture. What is this? These all are food which we eat. So topic is about food. Listen carefully and see the picture also. Okay. Food is what people and animals eat to survive. Food is what people and animal. Not only we eat food, animals also eat food. All living things eat food to survive, to live in the earth. Okay? Food usually come from animals and plants. Where does food came from? Food usually came from plants and animals. Okay. It is eaten by living things to provide energy and nutrition. It is eaten by living things to survive. From food, what we get? Energy and nutrition. All type of balanced diet we get from food. Energy we get from food. Food contain the nutrition that people and the animal need to be healthy. Food contains the nutrition. all the nutrition, all the nutrient, carbohydrate, fat, minerals, vitamin, all contains food. Food contains this all nutritions, and the people and animal need to be healthy. We should healthy. We should stay healthy. If you want to stay healthy, if you want to be stay strong, then we should eat food, proper food, not only junk food. You know junk food? Why you don't know? You do. I think you eat every day, but you should eat less. Okay? You should eat proper food only. Okay? So this is about food. Clear? Okay, I'll recall once. Food is what people and animals eat to survive. What is food? Food is the things which we will eat. Not only we, all animals and living things also. Okay? It is eaten by living things and provide energy and nutrition. I already told you, we get nutrition and energy from food. Food contains the nutrients that people and animals need to be healthy. Food contains nutrients that people and animals need to be healthy. Okay? Understood? This is about food. So let's move towards another topic. Okay? So another is, why do we need food? Why? Why do we need food? In the place of food, we can eat other things also, no? Mud, stone. But why do we need food only? Why should we eat food only? We do a lot of activities in a day. We do a lot of activities in a day. In the place of food, we can eat other things also, no? But we didn't want to eat food only. We get nutrition from the food. We get energy from the food. That's why only we eat food. If we get nutrition from mud also, then we can eat mud also. Listen carefully. We do lot of activities in a day. We do lot of work in a day. We need energy to do this activity. We need energy in every work. Now I am explaining you. To explain you, I also need energy to explain you. If I don't have energy, then it's not possible. Not only external work, in our internal work, like our organ also need energy to work. Okay? So we get energy from the food we eat. What we get from food? We get energy from food. Food also help us grow. Food also help us grow. A food is something that provide nutrition. I already told you, food is the something that provide nutrition. Nutrients are the substances that provide energy for activity, growth and the full function of body, such as breathing, digesting food. I already told you, not only external work, we need energy to work internal also, our body, just like breathing. We need energy to breathe. In our digestive system, we need energy to work, to digest our food and keeping warm, minerals for the growth and the repair of the body, repair the cells of the body and for keeping our immune system healthy. Immune system is the main thing. If our immune system will be weak, then what will happen? We will sick. We are suffering from many diseases. Okay? From we should keep our immune system healthy, we should keep our immune system strong. So listen carefully, we need a lot of activities in a day. We do a lot of activities in a day, we do lot of work, we do lot of things. We need energy to do this activity. We need energy to do this activity. We get energy from food. That's why we eat food. Food also help us to grow. Okay. Another is food is something that provide a nutrition. Food is the something that provide a nutrition. That's why we need to eat food, not other things. Okay. So nutrients are substances that provide energy for activity, growth and all the function of the body, such as breathing, digesting food and keeping warm, mineral for the growth and the repair of body, and for keeping the immune system healthy. Understood? This is why do we need food. Understood? We need to eat food to keep our body healthy, to keep our immune system strong. Okay, understood? This is about why do we need food. Hope you understand clearly. Let's move towards another topic. Okay. So I already told you why do we need food. We need food because it gives us energy. From food we get nutrients. So another is, where does the food came from? We eat food, but where does the food came from? We eat everyday food. Every day, 3-4 times we eat food. But where does it came from? Whatever food materials we eat, it came from the different source. It came from different source. Listen carefully. Whatever food materials we eat, it came from different source. Two major sources are plants and animals. Two major sources are plants and animals. Isn't it? Plants and animals. We get food from plants and animals. Listen, number A. Plant give us rice, wheat, vegetable, pulses. We eat daily rice, chapatis, dal, vegetables every day. At evening, at morning and at daytime also. Sure, these all came from plants. Understood? And number B, animal give us milk, egg and meat. So these all came from plants and animals. Up clear? Yes. Food materials we eat came from two sources. One is plant and one is animal. The two sources are plant and animal. Plant give us rice, wheat, vegetable and pulses. Animal give us milk. Have you drink milk? Why not? Milk give us protein. You should drink 2 times in a day. 2 times per day. Okay? Egg and meat. It's also important to eat. Okay? So, another is, listen carefully. Plants are a major source of food. Plants are a major source than animal for both human and other animals. Plants are the major source. If we did not eat animal, then it's okay. It's our wish to eat like egg and meat. Egg, meat, it's not necessary. But if we want to eat, we get energy from that things also. But plants is the main source. Plant is the main source. Plant are the major source of food for both human and other animals. Understand? About half of the food we eat comes from plants. Just two crops, wheat and rice. We eat main things, wheat and rice. Wheat and rice. It comes from plants. We live alive from these two things, wheat and rice. Wheat after grinding is used to make chapatis, roti, bread, noodles, etc. Wheat after grinding is used to make chapatis, roti, wheat daily, bread and noodles daily at lunchtime. Rice is used to make boiled rice, dosas and idlis. Without this, we cannot survive. So, these all made from plants only, not from animal. Okay, plants are also source of sugar, spices, tea and the coffee that we drink. Plants are also source of sugar. Wheat sugar, it came from sugarcane plant. We drink tea and coffee, it came from plants. Have you seen the plant of tea? Have you seen the plant of coffee? Plants are also a source of sugar, spices. You know spices? Spices, there are many types of spices we put on different food. Tea and the coffee that we drink. These all came from plant. The main thing which we eat, these all came from plants. That's why we did not necessary to eat animals also, but if we want, we give energy from meat, egg and other things also. Fish. Okay? If you want, then you can eat. If you don't want, if you don't like, then it's your wish. Okay? So let's move towards another topic. So another is food from plants and animals. I already told you, two main sources we get food from plants and animals. So I'll show you the picture. This is the picture. Look at carefully. Okay. Some food comes from plants and some food came from animals. We ate fruits. It also came from plants. Fruit. All the fruit comes from plants. Comes from plants. Listen carefully. So here it is in left side. This is the vegetables. I'll only show you vegetables. Okay. Broccoli. Have you eat the vegetable this? Cauliflower, carrot, tomato, peas, these all. These all are vegetables. This tomato, cauliflower, these all are vegetables which we eat daily. Where does it came from? It came from plants. Okay, and another is animals. Meat. Meat we eat, it came from animal. Chicken, it came from animal. Fish. Fish. You all know fish, this chicken and this meat. Listen carefully. You should know only that this all came from animal. Okay? Cheese come from goat. Okay? So this all came from meat, chicken, fish, egg. These all are from animal. Milk also came from animal. So we eat fruit daily, we eat vegetables daily. It came from plants. Okay, understood about this picture? So listen carefully. Some food came from plants and some food came from plants and some food came from animals. So animals, what we eat? Milk, egg, fish, meat, all these things, and fruit, vegetables like tomatoes, cauliflower, carrot, cucumber, all these things we ate every day. It came from plants, understood? So this is food from plants and animals. Understood which food came from animals and which food came from plants? Understood? Clear? Okay, let's move towards another topic. Okay. So our another is food groups. Food groups. You know the groups. Listen carefully. A food group is collection of food. A food group is a collection of food that share similar nutritional properties and biological classification. That share similar nutritional properties. Just like which food give what type of nutritions? Milk gives us protein, rice gives us carbohydrate. A food group is a collection of food that share similar nutritional properties or biological classification. A basic food groups are breads, cereals, rice, pasta, noodles and other grains. Understood? This is the basic. Vegetables and legumes, fruit. These all are basic. Why not? We should eat daily fruits, we should eat vegetables daily, we should eat breads and rice, pastas. These are the basic things. Milk. Okay? So meat, fish, poultry, egg, nuts and legumes. These all are the basic. So understand about food groups. Okay, I'll explain you. A food group is a collection of food that share similar nutritional properties of biological classification. The basic food groups are listen that the basic food groups, not other than that. Okay, listen, basic food groups: bread, cereals, rice, pasta, noodles and other grains. Grains, you know the grains and cereals. Vegetables and legumes. Only understand that rice, vegetables, fruit and milk and fish. Only understand that. Okay. These all are the alternative food, but basic, just like what just before I told you, the basic is rice and wheat. Just like rice, vegetables, fruit and milk. We should eat balanced diet now. By doing balanced diet, okay, understand about food groups. So this is about food groups. Okay. So another is food that give us energy. Food that give us energy. Listen carefully. Look at the picture also. Okay, 12 foods to eat for energy. Honey, apples, eggs, sweet potato, salmon, orange, banana. These all oats, beans, almonds. Okay, these all are food that give us energy to us. Food items like rice, potato, milk, butter, oil, ghee, bread and chapati that give us energy to work and play. Which food? Rice, potato, milk, butter, ghee, oil, bread and chapati, roti. This gives us energy to work or play. Banana may be one of the best food for energy. Bananas. You know na bananas? Have you eaten bananas? Why not? Usually found in our market. Banana may be the one of the best foods for energy. It gives us energy. Brown rice is a very nutritious food. We get brown rice. You know brown rice, it is in brown color. It gives us nutritious, brown rice is the very nutritious food. Understood? From which food we give energy? Which food? Rice, milk, butter, ghee, oil, banana, brown rice, chapati, bread, this all. Okay, here is apple also in the diagram. Honey. You know honey? Honey came from plants and animals. Honey came from plants and animals. Honey came from plants. No, honey came from animals. Okay. Honey bee. You know bee? Honey bee. Honey make honey bee. Okay, understood. So, from which food we give energy, understood? This is all about food that give us energy. Okay, so let's move towards another topic. So, our another topic is food that help us grow. Food that help us grow. How? Food increase our height daily. Listen carefully. Look at the picture also. Okay, listen. What things you say in the picture? Milk, fish, other, peas, lemon, tomato, onion, other things, nuts also. These all are the food. Food items like dal, fish, egg, meat and milk. These all foods that help us to grow. That help us to grow. Which food? Dal, fish, egg, meat and milk. These all help us to grow. And the milk products like milk product, which is the product of milk like curd, help us to grow and become healthy. Milk product are ghee, curd, other. Have you eaten paneer? This paneer is also a milk product. Listen, food items. Listen that food items help us grow. Which food items help us to grow? Dal, fish, egg, meat, milk. These help us to grow, and the milk product also help us to grow like curd. Okay, so milk product are curd, ghee. These all are. Okay, and another is strawberries and the blueberries are rich in vitamin C, antioxidants and phytochemicals. These all are nutrients. Okay, don't be confused. You study in higher classes about this. These all are nutrients. Strawberry, have you seen or eat? Why not? We easily found. They protect healthy cells for damage. Cells. Boosting the immune system. Boosting the immune system. They protect healthy cells from damage. We have so many cells in our body. So many cells in our body. They protect healthy cells for damage. Which this food give us nutrients, and from this nutrients it help us to protect healthy cells from damage. They help us to protect our healthy cells from damage, boosting the immune system. So food that help us to only understand then which food from which food help us to grow. Okay. Food items like dal, fish, egg, meat, milk, okay, and milk product also. Understood this. This is the main thing. Okay. So this is about food that help us grow. Let's move towards another topic. Okay. So another is food that keep us strong and healthy. What? The food that keep us strong and healthy. Look at the picture. There are green food is there. Green vegetables, green leaves, nuts are there. Fresh fruit and green leafy vegetables keep us strong and healthy. Clear? Food that keep us strong and healthy. Which food keep us strong and healthy? Which fruits? Fresh fruit and green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables and fresh fruit keep us strong and healthy. We must have these food items regular in our meal. Why we must have these food items regular in our meal? Because it keeps us strong and healthy. So we should, if we want to be strong, if we want to healthy daily, if you want to our immune system is strong, if you want to make our immune system is strong, then we should eat fresh fruit and green leafy vegetables daily, per day. Okay, understood? The simple lesson that food that keep us strong and healthy. Which food? Fresh fruit and green leafy vegetables. It keep us strong and healthy. We must have these food items regular in our meal. It keep us strong and healthy. Okay, understood? This is the food that keep us strong and healthy. It's too easy. Okay, understand? Okay. So another is balanced diet. So what is mean by balanced diet? Balance or disbalance. You know balance or disbalance? So our topic is balanced diet. The food we eat regularly is called our diet. So what is mean by diet? The food we eat regularly is our diet. Simple, okay, understood? The food we eat regularly is called our diet. We must have a right amount of food from each group in our diet. We must have a right amount of food. That means from which food it gives, it makes us strong. It makes our immune system strong, healthy. This type of diet is called balanced diet. Listen carefully. We must have the right amount of food. We must have a right amount of food from each group in our diet. This type of diet is called balanced diet. What is balanced diet? We must have the right amount of food, not junk food, other food. we must have a right amount of food from each food groups in our diet. This type of diet is called balanced diet. That means we should eat proper nutrients. We should eat balanced diet. If we eat chapatis 2, 3, 4 per day, it's not a balanced diet. Only we get carbohydrate from that. We should drink meat, we should eat fish, we should eat dal, we should eat green leafy vegetable, we should eat fruit. After that only our diet, if we eat that type of food, after that only we call our balanced diet will done. Wheat diet in a balance. Vegetables, cereals, fruits, meat, grains and milk are healthy food items. You know which are the healthy food items. I already told you. We should eat them daily in right amount. We should eat them daily. If you want to be strong daily, if you want to healthy, then only what will happen? We should eat them daily in right amount. If we eat healthy food, green leafy food, if fresh fruit, then only our diet will be balanced. This will help us a balanced diet. Understood? We should drink milk also per daily. We should drink other things. We should eat fresh food. We should eat green leafy. We should eat fish, egg. Okay? After that only our diet will be balanced. Otherwise not. Okay, I show you chart. Okay? So look at the picture. This is a balanced diet chart. What is this? This is a balanced diet chart. In blue color, dark blue color, what will you see? 40% fruit and vegetables. It's not a month, it's not for week, it's daily. It's diet. This chart for your daily, okay? Daily in your meal. Fruits and vegetable. We should eat fruits and vegetable 40%. We should eat fruits and vegetables 40%. We should eat protein 25%. We should eat fat 10% and we should eat fiber rich carbohydrates 10%. Total, after that only our diet will be balanced. We eat 100% balanced diet after that only. What we should eat? 40% fruit and vegetables, 25% protein, fiber rich carbohydrates 25% and fat 10%. We should eat in everyday meal this. This is a balanced diet chart. This is a balanced diet chart. Understood? I'll explain you again. Listen carefully. We should eat every day. To balance our diet, fruit and vegetables we should eat 40%. And protein 25%, fat 10% and fiber rich carbohydrate 25%. After that only our diet will be balanced. Okay? So what is the importance of balanced diet? Why we should need a balanced diet importance to eat? I'll explain you. Okay? So importance of balanced diet. Why it's important to eat diet balance? Benefit of balanced diet. Listen carefully. Look at the screen. Helps in weight control. Balanced diet helps in weight control. If your age is 12, then your weight will be, if 70, then what will happen? You should have weight by your age. Helps in weight control. It helps in weight control. Prevent illness. Prevent illness. It helps from suffering. Keeps you energetic. You know about energetic? Energetic means, what is an energetic? Energized means, listen carefully, helps in weight control, prevents illness, keep you energetic. If you feel sleepy in all the time, that means you should think that my diet will not in a balance. If you think lazy, then if you eat your diet balance, then you should feel energetic anytime. Boost immune system. Boost immune system. Support heart health. Supports heart health. Provides all important nutrients. If you eat all the important nutrients in every meal, then it's not possible to affect our health. Surely it's not possible. If your immune systems is strong, then you will be not suffer. Sure, you will be prevent from illness. So what is the importance of balanced diet? You should know that only. What is the importance of balanced diet? Helps in weight control. It helps in weight control, keep you energetic, supports heart health, provides all important nutrients, boosts immune system, prevents illness. Okay, this is about balanced diet chart. Understood? So let's move towards another topic. Okay. So another is good food habits. Good food habits. Listen carefully, okay? Do not skip meal. Good food habits. Good food habits. You know na habits? Okay. Do not skip meal. Do not skip meal. Do not left meal in your plate. Chew your food properly. Chew your food properly. After that only your food, from your food our digestive system extract proper energy. Eat fresh food and have a balanced diet. I already told you, and we should know why it's important to be our diet balance. Eat fresh food. Drink a glass of milk every day. Drink a glass of milk every day. I told you, from today you should drink a glass of milk every day. It helps us to grow really. Avoid eating junk food. You know na junk food? Plastic, junk food, mimi, like kurkure, all these things. Chips. You should avoid this. It is not good for health, really. It is not good for health. It is health affected things. We have disadvantage only from these things. We take disadvantage. Never leave food in your plate. Never leave food in your plate. Never leave food in your plate. I already told you, do not skip meal. If you eat morning, then you should eat afternoon also, and you should eat at evening also. If you left afternoon and if you eat in evening only, then there will be problem in your body. You face problem, you can feel ill. Okay, you should not skip meal. These all are good food habits, so you should make habits good. Do not skip meal from today. Okay, you all chew your food properly, eat fresh food and have a balanced diet, means eat a proper nutritious food. You should eat chapati, roti also, you should drink milk also, you should eat fish also, you should eat egg also. Okay, you should eat proper balanced diet. You should eat ghee also. Avoid eating junk food. Never leave food in your plate. Never leave food in your plate. Okay, this is a good food habit. Clear? So another is, how much should I eat? It's simple question. How much should I eat? If we feel hungry, we eat that much. If you feel not hungry, then we eat little bit. Listen that, how much should I eat? I told you, eat until I am very full and I feel like throwing up. Eat until I am very full and I feel like throwing. Eat until I do not feel hungry or I feel most full. Eat until I do not feel hungry or I feel most full. Eat only little and still feel hungry. Eat only little and still feel hungry. Listen, eat until I am very full and I feel like throwing up, but don't throw. It's not your good habit. It's gone into bad habit. If you throw food, eat until I do not feel hungry or I feel most full. Eat only little and still feel hungry. Okay? So, how much you should eat? Understood? This is how much should I eat? Okay? So now we finished our topic. Let's move towards activity. Okay? I'll ask you. Okay? Take the correct answer. Okay? Rice and wheat are leaves or grain? Rice and wheat are leaves or grain? Rice and wheat. Rice and wheat came from plants or animals? It came from plants and animals. It came from plants. So, it's leaves or grains? It's a grains. Okay. And there are 3 or 4 importance of food groups. There are 3 or 4 important of food groups. There are 3. What are they? I already told you. The food we eat regular is called our diet or weight. The food we eat regularly is our diet or weight. The food we eat regularly is our diet. Okay? The correct answer is diet. Tick on diet. Okay? we get honey from plants or animals? We get honey from, I already told you just before, we get honey from what? We get honey from plants. We get honey from honeybee, that means animals. We get honey from animals. Okay, this is activity 1. Let's move towards activity 2. Okay. So this is activity 2, but this is not my activity, it is not my work, it is your work. Copy these all 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. I'll tell you questions, I didn't give you answer. You should write your own answer. Okay, in your notebook. Why do we need to eat food? Why do we need to eat food? Copy this. Why do we need to eat food? Another is, what are the 2 sources of food? I already told you. 2 main sources of food are this. Write your answer. Okay. What is balanced diet? What is balanced diet? What is balanced diet? I already told you about this. Name the 3 food groups. There are 3 food groups. That helps to that, it helps to, it keep us strong and healthy, it helps to grow. I already told you na, dash. So I repeat again, why do we need to eat food? What are the 2 sources of food? What is balanced diet? And name the 3 food groups. These all are questions for you. Write your own answer. Hope you understand. Now our class will finish. See you on next class. Okay? Bye.